Okay, this is subtopic for the Moivre theorem. So the first, we want to find the power of a complex number. Okay, so this is the formula for the polar form of complex number. Z is equal to R sin theta, R cos theta plus I sin theta. And then if we want to find the power of a complex number, so let's say z the power of n, so the formula becomes Rn power of n and then cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, so this is the formula for the power of a complex number. Okay, let's do one example. Example 9.16a. So write z 1 minus I in the polar form, then using the Moivre theorem, find z4. Okay, A. So we have z equal to 1 minus I. So to find in the polar form, R is equal to x squared plus y squared, and then we set. So we have to set, and then theta is equal to tangent inverse y over x. So tangent inverse negative 1, we have negative 45, and then don't forget to check the coordinate. So x positive, y negative, so the theta should be at the fourth place, 45. And from the calculation, theta also equal to negative 45. Therefore, z in polar form is Z2 is negative 45 degree. Okay, now we want to find the power of the complex number. Okay, find the z4. So z4 equal to, by using the formula, this formula. Okay, this formula. So z4 equal to Z2 to the power of 4 cos negative 45 times with n. N is 4 plus I sin the theta and then times with n equal to Z2 to the power of 4. So we have 4 cos negative 45 times with 1 negative 180 plus I sin negative 180. Okay, so cos negative 180 is negative 1, and sin negative 180 is equal to 0. So the answer is negative 4. So z to the power of 4 is negative 4. Okay, B. Use the Moivre formula to write negative 1 minus 112 in the form of A plus IB. Okay, so let's say I let as, so we have negative 1 negative I to the power of 12. So let's say we let z is equal to negative 1 negative I, and for to find the radius, so x squared plus y squared, and then z, so radius is 2, and theta is equal to tangent inverse y over x is equal to 1, shift tangent 1 equal to 45. Okay, and then don't forget to check the location. So we have x negative left and also y negative below, so the theta should be at the third quadrant. So third place, the theta that we should read is either from here to here or okay. So theta equal to 180 plus 45, so equal to 225, or theta is equal to negative 180 minus with the 5, so negative 135. So from the principal argument, we accept the negative 135. So therefore Z is equal to R 6 negative 335. Okay, now but we have Z to the power of 12, so Z to the power of 12 equal to R third power of 12, and then cos negative 135 times with n plus I sine negative 135 times 12. Okay, so now we have cos negative 135 times with 12, negative 1, and sine negative 135 times with 12 with 0. Set 2 to the power of 12, so 64 negative, so the answer is negative 64. So this is the answer for B. Okay, right. Okay, next. So just now the power, okay, the power of a complex number, we are using this formula. But for the, if we want to find the root of a complex number, for example, we have Z power of Wn. So to find the W equal to Z to the power of 1 over n. So now this is sec r equal to cos theta with the power of 1 over n. Then r to the power of 1 over n cos theta plus 360k over n plus I sine theta plus 360k over n. So just now, for the power of the complex number, we are using this formula. But to find the root of a complex number, we have to use this formula. Okay? Let's say, for example, we have W cube. Okay? So to find W equal to Z1 over 3 or R 1 over 3 cos theta plus 360k over, so n is 3 plus I sine theta plus 360k over n. Okay, so n, this n depends to the n, 1 over n. So let's say this one is 3, so this one also should be 3. Okay, so this formula you have to memorize lah. This formula you have to memorize, and also to find the power of a complex number, also you have to memorize this formula. Okay, example 9.17. Find all the roots for the following equation. Okay, so we have sec cube equal 23. A. Z cube equal to 23. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to find the Z cube in polar form. Okay, you have to find the polar form of Z cube. So first find the R is equal to x squared. So you have to remember x is the real part, and from the Z cube 27 is the real part. So x cube plus y cube. So z cube do not have the imaginary part, so x squared, 0 squared, equal to 27. And theta is equal to tangent inverse y over x. So tangent inverse 0, get 0. And from the plot, x positive and y 0, so obviously theta is equal to 0. Therefore, z cube in polar form is 27 cis theta. Okay, now we want to find the root. Okay, so let's say we want to find, we let w is equal to z cube, so z is equal to w to the power of 1 over 3. So z equal to w 1 over 3 equal to 27 to the power of 1 over 3, and then cos, okay, by using the formula theta is equal to 0. Okay, this is theta. Okay, we are using this formula, okay, this formula. So theta is equal to 0 plus 360k over n is equal to 3 plus I sine plus 360k over 3. Okay, to find the roots, you have to use this formula. Okay, so we have z cube, so you have to find 3 roots. So first root, you have to let k is equal to 0. So z1 is equal to 27 1 over 3 cos, so k equal to 0, so cos 0 plus I sine 0. So we have 3, because cos 0 is equal to 1, sine 0 equal to 0, so 27 to the power of 1 over 3 is equal to 3. And then for k is equal to 1, z2 equal to, so 27 to the power of 1 over 3 is equal to 3 cos, so 360 divided by 3, so you have 120 plus I sine 20. So cos times 3 is negative 1.5 sine 120 times 3 plus 2.5981i. So this is the second root. And next, you have to let another k, z3 equal to 3 cos, so 0 plus 360 times 2, because k is equal to 2, and then divide by 3, so theta is equal to 240 plus I sine 240. Cos 240 times 3, negative 1.5 sine 240 times 3, negative 2.5981i. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's say this one, the root is 3, so you have to find 3 roots, 1 2 3, so you stop until k is equal to 2. So this is the answer for A. Okay, and for B, z4 equal to z3 plus with I. Okay, first we have to find the polar form of Z4. So R is equal to X squared plus Y squared. Set. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 set 2. And theta equal to tangent inverse Y. Y is 1 and X is equal to sec 3. Shift tangent 1 over sec. So theta is equal to 30. Check. So X positive, Y also positive. So yes, theta is equal to 30. Therefore, the Z4 in the polar form is R cis theta. Okay. Right, so now you have to find the roots. So let's say W is equal to Z to the power of 4. Therefore, Z is equal to W to the power of 1 over 4. So Z equal to W to the power 1 over 4 equal to 2 power of 1 over 4 cos theta. Theta is 30 plus 360k over and n is equal to 4 plus I sin 30 plus 360k over 4. So first let k is equal to 0. So Z1 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 4 is equal to 1.1892 cos 30 divided by 4 7.5 plus I sin 7.5. So cos 7.5 times with 1.1892 equal to 1.1790 and 5 times 1.1892 plus 0.1552i. Okay, so this is the first root, and then let another k Z2 equal to 0.1892. Okay, 1.1892 is actually this is from 2 to the power 1 over 4. Okay, and is 1.1892 cos 30 plus 360 divided by 4, so 97.5 plus I sin 97.5. Okay, so cos 97.5 times 1.1892 equal to negative 0.1552 sin 97.5 times 1.1892 plus 1.1790i, and then let another k. Okay, you have to find 4 roots because z to the power of 4 2 z3 is equal to 1.1892 cos theta plus 360 times with 2 and then divided by 4 187 5 plus I sine 187.5. So cos 187.5 times 1.1892 negative 1790 sine 187.5 times 1.1892 negative 0.1552i. Okay, and last k is equal to 3, so z4 is equal to 1.1892 cos 30 plus 360 times k is equal to 3 divided by 4, 277 plus I sine 277.5. So cos 277.5 times 1.1892 sine 277.5 times 1.1892 negative 1.1790i. So this is the answer. 1, 2, 3 for the roots. Okay, so this is the answer for B. So we have example 9.18 until 1.20. I want you to do on your own. Okay, you have to try, but I will give the answer. So 9.18, so z4 equal to 1 minus I. So you have to find the polar form first. So you have to find W1 over 4. Okay, you have to find lah. Okay, so the answer is W1 is equal to 1.696 minus W2 is equal to 0. This is my answer, but you have to check. Okay, .96. Okay, so this is my answer. You still you try and then you have to check the answer. Okay, 9.19. So cube root. So you have to find W1 over 3 because cube. So W1 is equal to 1.7550 minus 2.4423i. Please give your answer in 4 decimal places. Okay, 2.7411i. W3 is equal to negative 2.9929 minus 0.2988i. Okay, this is the answer for 9.19. And then 9.20, so z equal to negative 8. So you have to find the polar form first and then find the cube root. So W1 over 3. So W1 is equal to 1 plus 1.7321i 2 this is the answer. So you have to check. Okay, okay, for the next subtopic, okay, next video lah. Okay.